Well, it's Monday. We had a busy day at the shop yesterday. We replaced the pan on the 70 Charger and went through and added more fluid. It needs an alternator now. We also replaced the voltage regulator, but it is discharging, so we couldn't run it with the fuel pressure that we wanted with the fuel injection system. So the alternator comes in today and Rick will replace that on the Charger. We then worked on the 86 Mustang, which is my car. We replaced the fuel filter and then went through and started the car. Everything ran fine. Took it for a test drive. Made it about 15 minutes and then the car started losing fuel pressure. So we got the trailer, brought it back to the shop, and then dropped the tank, replaced the fuel pump, replaced the filler neck, replaced the seal for the vent cap, and replaced the seal for the filler neck. So everything is good there, and we shouldn't have any more fuel leaks. There was a tear in the seal for the filler neck, plus it being 1986, it was pretty rusty. So that's all taken care of. We didn't get a chance because it got kind of late, so we didn't get a chance to replace the or test drive it for a long time. So Rick is going to go through and test drive it today for a little while and see how that goes, and he'll let me know. I do have the fuel regulator for it, but I don't think that's the issue because it just seems weird with it being 15 minutes or a little while after running that it was dying. So I think maybe the fuel pump was going. The filter was pretty dirty. I don't know if that was the pump wearing itself out, but we'll see. So time will tell on that. If I need to change the fuel regulator, then we'll pull the intake off. I'm sorry I didn't get any video of the tank, but we do have some time lapse of working on the Charger just for fun, so you guys have something to look at. Please let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, share it, and please comment below. Thank you, and everybody have a great day. Happy Sunday, everybody. Today, first thing we're going to do is we're going to replace the pan on the 70 Charger. She's got the fuel injection fixed. She's running. We need to change that, and I believe it's got some charging issues, so we're going to work on that next. Then we're going to get the 86 back up on here and replace something in the fuel system so it'll run. We'll update you more as we go. Ready?
That's a dirty filter. Neil, is it yours?